Good afternoon, everybody. This is Max Passa for West Massachusetts Elevators. We did get a new product for the house. Let me show you. This is our new washing machine. It's a Speed Queen TR7 washer. Speed Queen commercial heavy duty. And this is the TR7 model. It has the electronic touchpad controls, the digital controls. And this is the power button to power up the washer. Let me show you. And it remembers the cycle that you last used. And this was the cycle I used this morning when I did my laundry. And this is the play pause button to start the machine and stop the machine. And this Speed Queen TR7 washer, this is a inverter driven washer. That means there's no transmission on it. And this is a 2018 to present model. The pre-2018 models were the transmission driven models. And the only model that's out, that's a transmission model, is the TC5 Classic series. And let's show you the inside of the washer. The tub is like stainless steel. It's American stainless steel. Yeah, the agitator is mounted to the tub, and it moves in the same direction as the tub. And on this washing machine, there's no transmission on it. That means there's no tub brake. You could definitely move the tub by hand. And since there's no transmission and no tub brake, it's got a lid lock. Right on the lid, that's the pin for the lid lock. And on the transmission-driven Speed Queen models, including the pre-2018 models and the TC5 Classic series, they just have a traditional lid switch because the machines have a transmission on there and a tub brake. And this Speed Queen wash machine replaced a late 1992, early 1993 Whirlpool Direct Drive washing machine. Because on the Whirlpool Direct Drive, the motor ran, but the washer didn't agitate or spin. It was due to like a bad motor coupler. So I did attempt to replace the motor coupler on the Whirlpool machine, but it was lots of work. So I still have the motor coupler for a Whirlpool Built Direct Drive wash machine. So I'm saving it for somewhere down the road when I get another Whirlpool Built Direct Drive washer. Thinking of either going for another Whirlpool version or going for maybe a Kenmore version. Like maybe a late 2002, early 2003 Kenmore model. And this washing machine is a Speed Queen heavy duty. And these are the settings. Since this washer has a black control panel, and with the electronic controls, it kind of reminds me of the washing machines from like the mid to late 1980s into the early to mid 1990s, which were the American built old school top loading washers. And I think it's a pretty good washer. And these are the faucets for the washing machine. And this is a video of my new washing machine, the Speed Queen TR7. I'm Max Passa. Thanks for watching. Bye.